Hi, I'm Emily from iFimland. How to bulk edit categories and tags in WordPress posts. In this tutorial, we are going to speak about what's the difference between categories and tags, how to move a post from one category to another in WordPress, what is the features of WordPress bulk post editing plugin, how to add categories and tags in WordPress, and what are the best bulk edit categories and tags plugins in WordPress. Bulk editing categories and tags in WordPress without using a proper plugin is a kind of frustrating task for bloggers when they have published hundreds of posts and need to organize them at once. In this video, first we will review the default options available in WordPress for bulk editing categories and tags of blog. Then we will introduce you the best WordPress bulk editing plugin and show you how to use it to easily bulk edit the tag and categories of multiple posts at the same time. What is the difference between categories and tags? Categories and tags are both used to organize your published post and let your reader find out what they are looking for. Despite this similar usage, there is a slight difference between them. Categories include one or more words that their description is more general. When your readers look at the list of categories of the sidebar of your blog, they can recognize which posts are more related to their ideas. Tags are mostly the keywords involved in the content of your posts. By clicking on each tag you have listed in your blog, all posts related to that keyword will be displayed on your readers. The big difference between category and tag in WordPress is that all of your posts must be under one or more categories, while assigning tags is not mandatory. If you don't choose any category for your post, WordPress will automatically add it under the uncategorized category. By using the default options available in WordPress, you can changing all posts in the category, moving posts from one category to another, replacing the category with a tag, deleting the category, and redirecting the old category URL to the new tag URL, and assigning new tags to your posts. How to move a post from one category to another in WordPress. Click on the posts and then all posts. Filter the posts you want to bulk edit their categories by choosing one category from the drop-down list at the top of the post table. Mark the checkbox in the top navigation row of the post table and choose Edit from the Bulk Actions menu. Then click on the Apply button. In the bulk edit screen, you can bulk edit categories and tags. We choose one of the categories from the list. After choosing the suitable categories and adding your preferred tags, scroll down and click on Update button. Although by the default options available in WordPress, you can do bulk edit categories and tags so simple. There are a lot of restrictions that make you use a bulk edit plugin and enjoy changing categories and tags of multiple posts at the same time in a few seconds. What are the best bulk edit categories and tags plugins in WordPress? There are some remarkable plugins designed for bulk editing categories and tags on WordPress. You can find the most effective one in the mentioned blog in the description, including bulk edit categories and tags, term management tools plugin, bulk remove posts from category, and WordPress bulk post editing plugin. What is the features of WordPress bulk post editing plugin? So if you need to edit, delete, or merge the categories and tags at the same time, we recommend you to install a full featured bulk editing plugin such as WordPress bulk post editing plugin that helps you to view all posts in the table, display your desired post fields at the columns of post table, bulk edit any feature of multiple posts including categories and tags, and filtering multiple posts based on any fields you need. The most important advantage of WordPress bulk post editing plugin is bulk edit categories and tags at the same time, inline edit option, and advanced filter form according to all WordPress post fields. How to bulk edit categories and tags in WordPress bulk post editing plugin. To get access to the bulk edit form in this plugin, go to the WordPress dashboard, IT bulk editing, and VP post. Click on the bulk edit button in the main page. As you can see, a specific tab has been designed called Categories Tag Taxonomies. In this tab, you can bulk edit categories and tags of those filter posts by choosing one of the options from the condition box. The first is Append, to add categories or tags to the posts, and Replace, which means to replace the old categories of the post by the new ones. And the last one is Delete, to bulk remove as many categories, tags as you need from the posts. There's also a selection box in front of each post to display a list of all categories and tags that you have already added to the WordPress, so you can choose to apply action on any of them. To make this change apply to all the filtered posts, you just need to click on Do Bulk Edit button. Tracking the changes you have made is also possible in this plugin, as you can add categories and tags columns to the post table to monitor these changes directly on the table. When you mark categories and tags columns in the column profile form and pressing Apply to Table, all of them are displayed in the post table, as you can see. Example 1. How to add bulk categories in WordPress. Suppose you have published some posts about your favorite foods in different countries. Now you have decided to append healthy as a new category to all those posts. The first step is to filter all posts from food category. Now you should go to the Categories Tag Taxonomies tab in the filter form, then select food in the selection box, then press the Get Posts button. The second step is to WordPress edit categories in bulk is mark all posts in the table, then go to the bulk edit form in Categories Tag Taxonomies tab, choose Append from the operator list and select the healthy category from the list of categories. Now press the Do Bulk Edit button. As you can see, the healthy category has been appended to the selected posts. Example 2. Bulk change category in WordPress. Replace product category. Sometimes you need to replace the old categories of your WordPress posts with new ones. Just like the previous example, you can set some filters to find the posts very fast and quickly. Now, mark some posts in the table and press the Bulk Edit button in the toolbar to open the form. Then go to the Categories tab and choose the Replace from the operator list. Then open the drop-down list of categories and select as many categories as you need. For example, beauty and travel in this example. As soon as pressing the Do Bulk button, you will see the WordPress bulk change categories in the table as you expected. Example 3. WordPress bulk remove category. Another popular WordPress bulk category change is removing category or tags from the old posts. For example, let's try to remove the fashion category from all posts published in the last months. Open the filter form and use the built-in calendar to set the data range for the date published field. And apply filter to get posts in the table. Choose the bulk edit tool. In the bulk edit form, go to the Categories Tag Taxonomies tab, then choose Delete from the Categories field operator list. Now select Fashion from the list of categories. Then press the Do Bulk Edit button to see the result of the bulk remove category WordPress. Example 4. How to remove tags from WordPress posts. The way you can bulk edit tags in WordPress posts is the same as categories when using the bulk edit form. Let's see how. Filter desired WordPress post if you need, and open the column profile form and mark tags to add this column to the table. Mark the desired WordPress post in the table and select the Bind Edit tool. On the tags column, click on one of the cells to see the pop-up containing all tags as a list. Now unmark all tags that you want to remove from the selected WordPress post and press the Apply Change button. As you can see, the selected tags have been removed from the filtered posts. How to inline edit category and tags in WordPress bulk post editing plugin. Inline edit category tag is a simple and useful way for editing category tags of each post directly from the post table in this plugin. You can inline edit category and tag of each post by following 3 simple steps. Step 1. Add category tag columns on the post table. To add category tag columns to the post table, you need to go to the WordPress dashboard, IT bulk editing, and VP posts. Then click on column profile button to open the column form. Now mark categories and tags under the taxonomies field in that form and click on apply to the table. Step 2. Search and find custom post. As you can change the category tag of one post by inline edit, it's a good idea to find the custom post by using quick search box in this plugin, as you can see here. Now, you can inline edit post category and tag of this post by clicking on related columns. Step 3. Inline edit post category and tag. As soon as you click on one of the category or tag columns, a new pop-up will appear including a list of all categories or tags you have already saved in the WordPress. In this page, these actions are provided. Mark new categories tags to be assigned to the post by clicking on Apply Changes. Search among the categories tags by typing some letter in the text box, and assign the marked categories tags to the post by clicking on Apply Changes. How to add categories and tags in WordPress. To add new categories tags in WordPress, you have to firstly navigate to this address, WordPress dashboard, posts, and categories. Then you have to type the name of your new categories one by one under the name field and click on add new category for each one of them to create a new category. Now imagine if you want to add 20 categories to your WordPress, how much time you need to waste. The same problem is remained when you want to add new tags to the WordPress, which is really takes a long time and it's a frustrating task. Fortunately, you can use inline edit option of WordPress bulk post editing plugin to solve this problem. Let's see how. You can also add a new category directly in the plugin from the post table. To add a new category, you need to add the category column to the plugin and then click on one of them in the post table. In the new pop-up opened, click on add new option, as you can see. Then by clicking on add new, a new page will be opened and you can add category with its feature including category name, slot, parent, and description. Finally, by clicking on create, the new category and tag has been added to the WordPress and you can assign them to your posts by bulk editing or inline editing. You can repeat this task for as many categories tags as you need and add your category to the list in a few seconds. By opening the category tag page of WordPress, you can see the new category has been added there automatically. As it obvious that if you add any category tag to the WordPress, the list of all category tags in this plugin will be updated automatically. We hope the plugins we have introduced to you in this video help you to bulk edit categories and tags very fast and easy.